Hi, I'm Christopher Eckel. I'm a mechanical engineering student at the University of Akron. I'm currently a second year mechanical engineering intern. This summer I've been doing a lot of inventory, time studies, and throughout I've had miscellaneous facility projects. My favorite project that I worked on, and it was probably because it was the most complex one that I did, is the air hose reel on the weld station at Danner. I designed the base plate, the swivel, and the arm, and the bolting mount. Probably the thing I've enjoyed the most is just gaining some of the CAD skills. Any of that real world experience is probably the thing that I'm most happy to take away from here. Probably one of the best things about this internship is that you build your soft skills, you build your communication skills, you build, working in a team. My CAD skills, I would say I've become about 3 times more proficient than what I was when I started. I always wanted to go into production and manufacturing as an engineer, and I ended up here in production and manufacturing, and I've really enjoyed it. Never underestimate what you can learn from them.